Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Ram Reddy M. I am pursuing my computer science and engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today's topic is application of optical fibers in the field of telecommunication. Transform telecommunication. The unparalleled potential of optical fiber applications. Introduction. Welcome to the world of fiber optics. Discover how this brilliant technology is illuminating the future of telecommunication. Join us on a journey through the fascinating world of high-speed data transmission and seamless connectivity. Optical fiber is the technology associated with the data transmission using light pulses traveling along with a long fiber which is usually made of plastic or glass. Principle of optical fiber. Light is sent through a transmitting fiber and is made to fall on a moving target. The reflected light from the target is sensed by a detector. With respect to intensity of the reflected light from the target, displacement of the target is measured. Classification of optical fiber. Optical fibers are classified into two types. First one is step index optical fiber. The refractive index of core and cladding of a step index fiber is constant. Graded index optical fiber. In this type of fiber, cone has a non-uniform refractive index that regulates decrease from the center towards the core cladding interface. History of optical fibers. Development. The concept of transmission light through flexibility glass fibers dates back to the 19th century, but it wasn't until the 1970s that practical application was realized. Milestones. Key milestones include the development of low loss fibers, the invention of the laser diode, and the successful development of optical communication systems. Advantages. Optical fibers offers numerous advantages over traditional copper cables such as higher bandwidth, improved signal quality, and immunity to electromagnetic interference. Applications of optical fibers. Op- Fiber optics technology has grown tremendously over the years and today can be found in many surprise places. Main applications of fiber optics are communication systems, medicine, sensors, military, electronics. Optical fiber advantages. The advantages of optical fibers are numerous, including high data capacity, low signal loss, and immunity to electromagnetic interference. These features make them indispensable in modern communication networks. It is easily compatible with electronic system. It does not get affected by nuclear radiations. Application of optical fibers in communication system or application of fiber optics in communication systems. Fiber optics communication is a method of transmitting information from one place to another by sending pulses of light through an optical fiber. Optical fiber is used by many telecommunications companies to transmit telephone signals, internet communication, and cable television signals. Process of communication. The process of communication using fiber optics involves the following basic steps. First one is creating the optical signal involving the use of transmitter, and second one is relaying the signal along the fiber, ensuring that the signal does not become too distorted or weak. Lastly, receiving the optical signal and converting it into a electrical signal. Advantages of optical fiber communication. The life of fiber is longer than copper wire. Handling and installation cost of optical fibers are very nominal. It is unaffected with electromagnetic interference. Attenuation in optical fiber is lower than coaxial cable or twisted pair. There is no necessity of additional equipment for protecting against grounding and voltage problems. As it does not radiate energy, any antenna or detector cannot detect it, hence provides signal security. Extremely wide bandwidth. Disadvantages of optical fiber. Low power. Light emitting sources are limited to low power. Although high power emitters are available to improve power supply, it would add extra cost. Attenuation and dispersion. The distance between the transmitter and receiver should keep short. With long distance transmission, light will attenuate and disperse, which means additional components such as EDFA are required. Future trends. Emerging technologies such as 5G and Internet of Things are driving the demand for optical fibers. The future holds immense potential for further innovation and integration of optical fiber technology. Polymer optical fibers offer many benefits when compared to other data communication solutions such as copper cables, wireless communication systems, and glass fiber. Challenges and solutions. While optical fibers offer remarkable benefits, challenges such as installation cost maintenance exist. Innovation in fiber optic technology and installation method are addressing these challenges. Security and reliability. The security and reliability of optical fiber networks are paramount. Their resistance to tapping and signal interception, coupled with robust reliability, make them the preferred choice for critical communication infrastructure. Global impact. Here, global impact of optical fiber technology is profound, enabling seamless global connectivity, economic growth, and technological. It plays a role in shaping the future communication, providing faster internet speeds, improved communication, and advancement in various fields such as medicine, industry, and research. The benefits of optical fiber internet and cable are clear. Future outlook. The future outlook for optical fiber applications is promising with ongoing research focusing on increased data capacity, enhanced efficiency, and integration with emerging technologies. The potential for further revolutionizing telecommunication is vast. Conclusion. The unparalleled potential of optical fiber applications has revolutionized telecommunication and extended its impact across diverse industries. The future holds immense promise for further innovation and integrating, shaping the way we communicate and connect globally. Thank you.